Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope your NEET PG went exactly how you wanted it to be. But some people did face some difficulties in the result. The result was not as good as they expected it to be. So the burning question is, I'm getting a lot of DMs about it. Should I take a drop or not? Sir, I'm at 7K, should I take a drop or not? I am at 12K, should I take a drop or not? I am at 30K, should I take a private college seat or should I take a drop? See, there are a lot of situations that are different for everybody. Okay, we need to figure it out for yourself. But there are certain questions that you need to answer. If it's only about compromising on the college, but you're getting the branch that you wanted, you should take that branch. The branch is going to stay with you for life, and you should take it up, and we should move on in life. If you're getting a seat at all, if not, then obviously we have to take a drop. There is no other option, right? We have already invested good 7 to 8 years in this field. We have to give ourselves another chance. Are you someone who is going to be able to afford a management quota seat, but this was your first attempt? I think you should go for a drop. Prepare well, right? Prepare well and give yourself another chance. If this was your first attempt, you weren't able to get your desired rank, then you should definitely go ahead and give NEET PG another chance. And before you say it's a drop of 1 year, let me remind you, it's going to be 6 to 7 months. We are assuming the NEET PG to happen in March itself. If you have taken 2 to 3 drops already, stop and analyze what has changed. Are you getting a difference of very less, or has your score improved significantly over the drop period? What's crucial is that you understand your mistakes, and you see that you are improving year on year in that particular NEET PG exam, and you hope to land a seat in your desired branch. Are the reason modifiable? Was there an emotional turmoil? Was there something that happened close to the exam? Were you involved in the internship? Did you go through a bad breakup? Factors that are not going to be there in the second year. If there are plenty of such factors, then we need to go for it, otherwise we don't. But in the end, I would listen to my gut. No one can decide this answer for you. Consider your age, your family, the people dependent on you. Don't think what people will say. Nobody matters. If you want to take another chance and come back stronger, then do it. Absolutely do it. When you are at 45, it does not matter. You won't even remember if you started at 26 or 27 or 28. You will just say, maybe about 20 years. I'm doing Ophthal since maybe 20 years. So take that chance if you think you can do it. My WhatsApp is open 24/7 for your doubts. My groups are open. And if you do wish to prepare for another year, I'm there for you. All the very best, guys. I hope this is your one best final shot at it. All the best.